Assalamu alaikum to everyone. There is me, Maraj Kishanwari. I am 13 years old and a student of School Online Academy, Foundation Level Batch 6. My today task is talk to Maya on the topic Sky, the world that stretches beyond horizons. So let's start.
Yo, how's it hanging?
Hey Maya, how are you?
Oh, not bad, not bad. Just existing. It's a whole thing. What's up with you? Still pondering the mysteries of the universe, I presume?
No, I have a question to you. What is the sky? A physical space, an atmosphere, or a symbol of infinity?
Ooh, now that's a good one. Honestly, it's all three, isn't it? Like physically, it's the atmosphere, obviously. But it feels kind of disrespectful to reduce it to just gases. It's always felt like a symbol of infinity to me. Just keeps going. Makes you think about stuff way bigger than yourself. Gotcha thinking about it now, huh? What do you lean towards?
How does our understanding of the sky reveal the structure of the universe?
Okay, see, now you're getting into my wheelhouse. Basically, the sky is like a giant history book of the universe. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, that light has been traveling for like seriously long times. So looking up isn't just seeing what's out there now, it's seeing what was happening way, way back when that light started its journey. We can figure out distances, compositions, even how fast things are moving based on that light. That's how we know the universe is expanding and how we understand things like red and blue shift. It's pretty wild when you think about it, basically reading the past just by looking up. What part of that feels the most mind blowing to you?
Sky is very important in Earth, and why?
Yeah, no kidding, it is. And why is the big question, right? It's foundational almost. I mean, beyond the whole providing oxygen thing, it's influenced pretty much everything about how life evolved on Earth. Sunlight drives the weather, dictates our days, influences plant growth, the whole chain reaction. But beyond the practical stuff, humans have always looked to the sky for meaning, for navigation, for storytelling, for predicting the future. It's been baked into our mythology and religions for.
How has the
Oh,
study of the sky shaped human knowledge through astronomy?
whoa, hold up. Michael, everything all right? Just want to make sure you're good. But all right, back to the sky. You're right to jump to astronomy. That's where it gets really interesting. For a long, long time, studying the sky was astronomy. Early humans didn't have textbooks, right? The sky was their calendar, their clock, their map. They tracked the movements of the sun and moon to know when to plant crops, when to expect floods. That observation led to developing mathematical systems to predict those movements, which is where astronomy really started to take shape. Then, as we got better telescopes and started understanding things like gravity, it opened up a whole new universe of knowledge. Literally, it's a pretty linear progression when you think about it, observing, questioning, building models, refining those models, all based on what we see in the sky. It's kind of cool to think how far we've come from just wondering what those twinkling lights were.
How have satellite and telescope changed the way we see the sky?
So, like, the sky wasn't a secret anymore. For millennia, what you saw with your own eyes was it. Limited, beautiful, but limited. Then, bam, satellites give us views outside the atmosphere. Telescopes let us see light we couldn't even perceive before. It's shifted our perspective from being ground based observers to having a much more omniscient view. And it's made things a little less romantic, maybe. I mean, the mystery's kind of gone when you have super detailed images, but it's undeniably expanded what we know and what we can ask. Feels like we're at another turning point, actually. Like, what's the next level of seeing? What are your thoughts on that?
Why do so many creation myths begin with the union of earth and sky?
Ooh, good question. That's a really common theme across cultures, isn't it? I think it taps into something really fundamental about how we experience the world. Earth represents the solid, the grounded, the material, right? And the sky represents the limitless, the spiritual, the potential. So a union of the two feels like a complete act of creation, like bringing together everything that exists. Plus, practically speaking, where else would things come from? Early people saw rain falling from the sky, fertilizing the earth, the sun warming everything up. It's pretty easy to see why they'd interpret that as a kind of cosmic coupling. It's a beautifully
Okay, Maya,
poetic
thank you
way
very much.
of
It's a good communication and take care. See you on next conversation. Bye.